Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we're given a unit feedback system. They want us to use the Routh table to tell how many poles are on the left plane and how many poles are on the right plane and how many poles are on the jar plane. The question says, given the unit feedback system of figure 1.1 with the following g of s, our g of s is equals to 8 all over s into s to the power 6 minus 2s to the power 5 minus s to the power 4 plus 2s to the power 3 plus 4s squared minus 8s minus 4. We are given this closed loop system. This is our g of s. This is the plant. So when we are solving this, we have to make this system to be an open system. So we are going to use block reduction to solve this to be an open system. Okay, so we are going to have t of s equals to g of s all over 1 plus g of s. Since it's a negative feedback, it will be plus here. So let's substitute our g of s. Our g of s will be t of s is equals to, our g of s is what? It's 8 all over s power 6 minus 2s to the power 5 minus s to the power 4 plus 2s cube plus 4s squared minus 8s minus 4 all over 1 plus 8 all over s into s to the power 6 minus 2s to the power 5 minus s to the power 4 plus 4s or 2s cube plus 4s squared minus 8s minus 4, close the brackets. So in this denominator, we're going to find the common denominator or the LCD since there's one here. So the way I do it is just say 1, this one goes here, then this one will come here, this one will go here, then this comes together in this way. Our T of S will be 8 all over S into S to the power 6 minus 2S to the power 5 minus S to the power 4 plus 2s cube plus 4s squared minus 8s minus 4 all over s into s to the power 6 minus 2s to the power 5 minus s to the power 4 plus 2s cube plus 4s squared minus 8s minus 4 plus 8 all over s to the power 6 minus 2s to the power 5 minus s to the power 4 plus 2s to the power 3 plus 4s squared minus 8s minus 4. Okay, we're here now. So this one will be the numerator when we make the reciprocal, and it will cancel with this one. So this one cancels with this one. So we're left with t of s is equals to 8 all over this one, which is s into s to the power 6 minus 2s to the power 5 minus s to the power 4 plus 2s cubed plus 4s squared minus 8s minus 4 plus 8. Okay, now we are here. So to find the Routh table, we have to expand this denominator. So when we're expanding, we'll multiply with this s throughout. So we are going to have t of s is equals to 8 s to the power 7 minus 2 s to the power 6. We're going to have minus s to the power 5 minus 2 s to the power 4 minus or plus, sorry, it's plus 4s to the power 3 minus 8 to the power s squared minus 4s plus 8. So now we are here. Okay, so now it's in standard form. We can make the what? The Routh table. So making the Routh table, we're going to have, let's write first that formula, which is t of s is equals to 8 all over s to the power 7 minus 2 s to the power 6 minus 5, oh sorry, s to the power 5 plus 2s to the power 4 plus 4s to the power 3 minus 8s squared minus 4s plus 8. Okay, now we are going to write the Routh table. Since our highest degree is what? It's 7, 6, 5. So we're going to write 6 to the power 7, s to the power 6, s to the power 5, s to the power 4, s to the power 3, s to the power 2, s to the power 1, s to the power 0. Okay, so I'm making our what? Our table. So when we take our constant, we take 1, we skip one term. Take 1, skip one term, take 1, skip one term. So it will be 1, skip one term, it will be minus 1, skip one term, it will be 4, skip one term, it will be minus 4. Okay, coming to the second one, so it will be minus 2, 2 minus 8 plus 8. So it will be minus 2 is 2 minus 8, it will be 8. Okay, now we're going to punch in the calculator by using determinants. It's like finding determinant. So it's this multiplied by this one, this multiplied by the or minus this multiplied by this one, divide by this one. So when we do that one, negative 1 times minus 1 is 2, minus 1 times 2, so it's 2 divided by 2, so it's 0. So for the same thing, it will be 0 because minus 2 times 4 is 8. And this one will be positive 8. So it's 0, it's 0, it's 0. Now we go to this one. If it's a row of zeros, we go to the what? To the one on top. We write it as P of S is equals to minus 2s to the power 6 plus 2s to the power 4 minus 8s squared plus 8. Okay. Now we differentiate it in respect of what? Of s. So we are going to have minus 12 s what? S to the power 5 plus 8 s to the power 3 minus 16 s plus 0. Differentiation of a constant is 0. Okay, so We substitute this constant in this one. Okay, so cancel this one, we substitute minus 12. Cancel this one, we substitute 8. We cancel this one, we substitute 16. We cancel this one, substitute 0. Sorry, it's minus 16. This one is negative. Okay, because of this negative. So it's negative then. Okay, now we do the same thing. We're finding the determinant. Okay, let's punch it on a calculator. We get 2 over 3. Here we get minus 5,33. Here we get 8. It's 0. Okay, now here is minus 88. Here is what? It's 128. It's 0. It's 0. So the same thing, divide by this one, we get negative 4,364. We get 8. We have 0. We have 0. It's 0. Because it will be this one times this one minus this one times this one, divided by this one, we get minus 33,3. Then this one times this one is 0. This one times 0, it's 0. So it will be 0, 0. So it will be this one times this one. Then this one times 0. It will end. Then divide by this one. So minus 33,3 will cancel each other. So we're left with what? With 8. So now they are asking how many poles are on the right plane and how many poles are on the left plane. So to check how many poles are on the left plane, we use the first column. So when we count the negative one, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Leave this one because it's the one that we find in the coefficient. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So therefore, okay, therefore 4 are HP and 3 left HP. So our solution says that there will be 4 on the right half plane and there will be 3 poles on the what? On the left half plane. Thank you for watching this tutorial.